Hey everybody, Josh from Populi here, and forms have conditional fields. And that's good news. You want conditional fields, especially if you look at a form you've created and wonder, is this too visually cluttered and complicated? Because with a conditional field, you simplify the form that most folks see and then reveal additional fields to only the respondents who need them. If you're just getting started with forms, we have other videos and other resources that cover the basics, so you might want to check those out. Anyone with the staff role can create and manage forms by default, but specific forms can be set so that only certain roles can access, manage them, etc. For our example, let's say you have a form about housing that you send out to students. Conditional fields allow you to ask a question on that form like, do you plan to live in on-campus housing? And then to only display fields about on-campus housing to students who answer yes to that question. So that's what we're going to do. Let's walk through how to create conditional fields on forms. Starting on Home, click Forms, and then on the right, click Manage Forms. We'll create a new form. Why not give it a name? Then we can go down here to add a field. It could be a linked field, but we're going to create a standard field. Now all we have to do is, what in the world? I don't have an option for a conditional field here. Say, what gives? Conditional fields are dependent on other fields, so you have to have a field in place that can be a condition for this field. And not just any field can be a condition, you have to have a field of one of these types already created on the form. Multiple choice, checkboxes, drop down, and yes, no. So we're going to create that yes, no field asking students if they're pursuing on-campus housing. We'll create a new field, we'll set the type to yes, no, and then we're going to give this a title, and then in description there, we're going to type, are you seeking on-campus housing? We're going to make this required and then click Save. Now we'll add the next field here. When we do this, you can see right away that we have that box we can use to mark a field as conditional. Once we've done that, we get this additional dialog. Now, whenever you're creating a conditional field, the fields that come up here will be those of the types that we mentioned earlier. Over on this form, we've got fields of each of those types. And as I'm creating a new field, I can choose to trigger this based off of any of these. And further, if I want to get fancy, I can get very fancy indeed. I could choose to only show this field in the event of a specific set of responses to each field here. If you're familiar with how creating conditions in Populi works, this will be familiar. If you aren't, we have a knowledge base article on report filters linked down in the description that should get you headed in the right direction. But we're going to stick to a simpler example because honestly, I think in most situations, the way folks use this feature will be pretty straightforward. We're going to fill this new field out, and then we'll set the field to conditional, and we'll choose the field on/off campus. And in this situation, we want the response here to be yes. Then we'll save. You can see once we've created this field, it's marked out as conditional with this little icon here. Now let's look at a preview of this form as it stands. If we click yes here, we'll get that other field showing up underneath like so. Now we have some further fields here, and we want all of them to be based on the same condition. So we'll go through and create those and input the same condition on each. I'll switch to a version of the form that already has all those fields created so we can see how this looks with everything in place. And with everything in place on this form, if we click Preview Form, and then I fulfill the condition by clicking yes, we can reveal all those previously hidden fields. Just as a note here, forms have pages, and you can make whole pages conditional. So we add a page here real quick, and then edit the page, and we can set the page to conditional. And conditional page works the same way. that'll only show up for respondents who answer in a certain way on certain fields. And it's that easy, friends. Check down in the description for related resources. Do you want to dig deeper and get more value out of Populi for your school? Join our Discord server. It's where Populi users can ask each other questions and capitalize on community knowledge. If you want to become a part of that community, go to Help in Populi and choose Join the User Community. That'll take you to a spot that has instructions about how you can get set up. I've been Josh for Populi. You've been great. Thanks for watching.